Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on Bee. We are unboxing the FabFitFun winter box, as well as giving away one of the products in here. I'm going to set this down. It's a pretty heavy box. So if you are new here, welcome. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of November, it is the Essentials 2 palette. Put a link for this giveaway in the description box down below. Some of you have asked me what I'm wearing on my eyes, and it is the Editor's Palette from Ciate London, mainly doing kind of the blue shades. It's a little bit of the pop of the gold right in the inner corner. And I have mine, and I have one for you, and that will be our December eyeshadow palette giveaway. This one will not be, the giveaway for this won't be live until December 1st, but just giving you kind of a sneak peek right now. Like I said, we are giving away one of the items in here in the FabFitFun winter box, and you just need to be subscribed and watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you're going to need to know for your Google form. So this is the winter box for FabFitFun. It does ship out $49. You can get less than that if you pay for the entire year at a time, which is what I do. And you can also get your first subscription for only $39 for the box if you use my code in the description box down below. I do also have some starter boxes to give away. So FabFitFun sends me an email basically saying, hey, you've got some starter boxes if any of your friends want to get one, and all you have to do is pay for the shipping and then they send it out to you. So it's really good. You do have to sign up for it, but you can cancel within 21 days. So if that's something that you are interested in, I only have a limited amount. Let me know that in the comments down below as well. So they always send a magazine. Look how pretty Katie Couric looks here on the cover. I love the magazine because not only does it tell you about the products, but it also tells you how to use some of the products and some tips and some tricks, and then also has some recipes and kind of just some cool kind of things on it. So they do send out 8 full-size items. They're lifestyle, they're beauty, they are skincare, fitness, just all sorts of really fun things for you. And you can use a lot of these as gifts, which is what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. And when you sign up for a year, you get more choices. Otherwise, FabFitFun just picks your choices for you. So these first couple of choices are ones that all members, no matter if you just signed up to do the quarterly, get billed quarterly, or if you signed up to pay for the year in advance, everybody gets these first couple choices. It's Gucci over here. So you had the choice for your first one between the Vera Bradley Compact Organizer, retails for $50. The Unhide Little Marshmallow Blanket, retailing for $65. The Bombshell Sloan Champagne Flutes, a set of 4, retailing for $51. The Summer and Rose Cozy Robe, retailing for $70. The Lilly Beauty Tea Seed Elixir, retailing for $42. The Kate Spade New York Rise and Shine Stud Earrings, set of 2, retailing for $68. And the Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit, retailing for $89. And I did choose the Unhide blanket. You guys, these things are so incredibly soft. It's a 50 by 60 dimensions is these blanket, and stay cozy all winter long with this soft fur chinchilla blanket. You guys, we are talking incredibly soft, and I am giving this as a gift, so I'm not gonna wrap it out of the plastic or anything because I want to preserve it for that. Your next section is also an all members pick. It's the Lilly Pulitzer ceramic mugs, a set of 2. The Caudel Venusaur's Moisturizing Sorbet, retailing for $39. The Lilly Pulitzer mugs retailed for $42. The Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion retailing for $78. The Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm retailing for $68. The Lucky Brand Solid Brushed Scarf retailing for $69. And the Impressions Vanity Company LED Vanity Mirror retailing for $45. I did pick up the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. Guys, this stuff is great. I've gotten this before, love it. It is formulated with collagen amino acids. This treatment visibly minimizes the look of lines and wrinkles. I really, really do like this one. Next section is also an all members pick. You could have gotten the Ela Beauty Limitless Lash Mascara retailing for $28. The Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice Eyeshadow Palette retailing for $45. The Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser retailing for $36. The Dr. Brandt Skincare Pore Dermabrasion retailing for $58. The Lilly Sungushi Maroon Velvet Headband. And you guys know I've gotten this before. It is the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pore Dermabrasion. Wash your face with this professional grade microcrystal solution to instantly deep clean and refine the pores. I've got another one I'm using, and then I will open this one. So this next section is for select members, and they get it picked from customizable 4 to 5. Otherwise, FabFitFun will choose the best option for you. So you could have gotten the Kate Spade New York workout socks, a set of 2 pairs, retailing for $24. The Tula Skincare Rose and Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm, retailing for $30. The Mux Lux Cabin Socks, retailing for $25. The Volaire Hair Care Rhythm and Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox, retailing for $28. The Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask, retailing for $39. So if you see something that you really like and you want maybe 2 of them from the same category, like was the case in this one, you can pick up the extra one for usually about half off what it normally would retail for. So I did pick up as an add-on the Mux Lux Cabin Socks. They do have a little rubber here on the bottom. How cozy would this be? Nobody's going anywhere this winter. You're staying inside your house with this, with a pair of leggings. Super, super cute. These cozy cabin socks feature a faux Sherpa lining to keep you warm and toasty. And then I also picked up the Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Energize and awaken the under eye area, or use it as a highlighter on your cheekbones or cupid bow for an instant glow. Retails for $30. So this next one is also a select member pick, and you could have gotten the Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels, retail for $25. The Asbury Cutting Boards set of 4, retailing for $19. The DePue Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo Powder, retailing for $24. And I did pick up, you know, I have a masking review channel here on this channel, so I did pick up the eye masks. So the Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. Place these hyaluronic acid infused eye gels on the under area to reduce any puffiness. So be on the lookout for an upcoming masking video featuring these. Oh, I did want to tell you that I also picked up a mystery box. You can do add-ons when you place your order, and so I added on a mystery bundle, which is where they send you 4 to 5 things, usually over a $75 value. Over $29, you have zero idea what you've gotten. Some of them are good, some of them are bad. We'll find out in the next video. Anyway, back to this one. And I will be giving away one of the items in there too, in that video. So these next ones are what FabFitFun picks for you. They could have picked the Wish Lip Scrub in Vanilla Bean, retailing for $20. The Perdoe Lucky Stars Blemish Patches, retailing for $18. The Be Low The Belt Croc Card Case, retailing for $35. And I'm glad they did pick up for me the Wish Lip Scrub. It's organic brown sugar and organic shea butter work together to exfoliate and soften your lips. So I can't wait. I've got another lip scrub I'm using right now. I really do like sugar lip scrub, so can't wait for this one. Next, they could have picked for you the Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. I don't really like using dry brushes on my face. It's just too harsh of an exfoliator. The Noir Jewelry Ombre Leopard Scrunchies. How cute are these scrunchies? So, meow. Keep your hair out of your face with these leopard print scrunchies, retailing for $25. Cute. In the last section, they could have picked the Seca Liquid Eyeliner, retailing for $21. The London Town Get Well Nail Recovery, retailing for $20. Or the Phase Zero Makeup Making Moves Blusher, retailing for $27. They did pick for me the Phase Zero Makeup Making Moves Blusher. A silky smooth formula, blends seamlessly onto the skin for a gorgeous blush of color. It was a pretty good box. I really, really like the slippers. I really, really like the blanket and some of the skincare. I really, really liked. So what did you guys think? What were your favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know what your plans are for Thanksgiving. I really, really would like to know that. My son flies home the night you are watching this, so I'm super excited. I'm filming this Sunday. He flies home on Wednesday, so I can't wait to see him. He will be home for 2 months. They started school a little bit early so that way they could be done with finals. He's in the middle of finals right now, and so I'm excited to have him home for 2 months, and then he goes back to school like mid-January, hopefully with everything else going on in the world, they let school open them back up again. So let's give this one, the Phase Zero Blusher, away to one of you guys. And because tomorrow is Thanksgiving, let's do the secret word, be Thanksgiving. So in the description box down below is a Google form link. You need to fill that form out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put the secret word on the Google form link. Do not put that secret word in the comments down below. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to be a little ray of sunshine for you guys. I love giving back to you guys, especially this time of year. It just means the world to me, and I know that means a lot to all of you. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, lost in transit, damaged, anything like that for it to get to you. Let's have this giveaway go through December 15th, and then on December 16th, I will go ahead and pick the winner and pin the winner's first name and first initial of their last name in the comment section of this video. I do a random number draw when I do pick the winners. If you do want 2 extra bonus entries for that, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beauty AMA, A-M-A, and the letter B. And then if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm really trying hard to grow the channel here. Speaking of which, by helping me, if you can watch some of the other videos, YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking them out. I've got to get those watch time minutes up. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.